Houston's hot and humid climate demands smart home design solutions to maintain comfort and energy efficiency. One effective way to enhance ventilation and airflow while keeping your home cool is by installing awning windows. These windows offer a range of benefits, from improved air circulation to better protection from the elements, making them an excellent choice for Houston homeowners. What are awning windows? Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, creating a unique design that promotes natural ventilation. Typically operated with a crank or push mechanism, these windows allow fresh air to flow in while keeping rain and debris out. Their practical design and functionality make them a popular choice for various rooms, including kitchens, bathrooms, and living areas. Enhanced airflow for better indoor comfort. One of the biggest advantages of awning windows is their ability to improve indoor air circulation. Unlike traditional sliding or single-hung windows, which only open partially, awning windows can be opened wider, allowing for more fresh air to enter the home. This design helps push out stale air and bring in cooler, fresher outdoor air, reducing reliance on air conditioning. Additionally, Houston's coastal proximity means that breezes can be harnessed to create cross-ventilation. Awning windows, when strategically placed, can capture these breezes and channel them through the home. This improves airflow and naturally cools indoor spaces, leading to enhanced comfort and lower energy costs. Ventilation even during rainy weather. Houston is known for its sudden rain showers and occasional storms, making it essential to have windows that provide ventilation without letting in water. Awning windows are designed to stay open during light rain, thanks to their outward tilt. This allows homeowners to enjoy fresh air even when the weather is less than ideal, keeping interiors well ventilated without the risk of water damage. Energy efficiency and cost saving. Proper ventilation helps maintain indoor temperatures, reducing the strain on heating and cooling systems. Since Houston experiences long, hot summers, awning windows can assist in maintaining a comfortable indoor climate by allowing warm air to escape while drawing in cooler air. This natural cooling effect can lead to lower utility bills, making awning windows a cost-effective investment. Additionally, modern awning windows come with energy-efficient glazing options, such as low-E glass and double-pane insulation. These features help reduce heat gain, keeping your home cooler during peak summer months. By combining natural ventilation with energy-efficient materials, awning windows can significantly enhance a home's overall energy performance. Better indoor air quality. Good ventilation is essential for maintaining healthy indoor air quality, especially in a humid environment like Houston. Poor airflow can lead to a buildup of moisture, which in turn promotes mold growth and poor air circulation. Awning windows help reduce indoor humidity by allowing damp air to escape, preventing condensation and mold issues. This is particularly beneficial in areas like bathrooms and kitchens, where humidity levels tend to be higher. Versatile design for any home style. Awning windows are not just functional, they also add aesthetic value to a home. Available in various styles, sizes, and frame materials, these windows can complement modern, contemporary, or traditional home designs. Their sleek design allows them to be placed higher on walls, providing privacy while still allowing natural light and ventilation. Conclusion. For Houston homeowners looking to improve airflow, ventilation, and energy efficiency, awning windows are a smart choice. Their ability to allow fresh air in while keeping rain and debris out makes them a practical addition to any home. Whether you want to reduce cooling costs, enhance indoor air quality, or create a more comfortable living space, awning windows provide an effective solution tailored to Houston's climate. Consider upgrading to awning windows and enjoy a healthier, more energy-efficient home today.